Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're cooking Korean style chicken wings. I absolutely love wings. They're one of my favourite things cooked on the barbecue, using two of my friends' ingredients, bringing them together to make some amazing Korean style chicken wings on the barbecue. Got my wings here. I'm not going to bother breaking them down into flats and drums. I'm going to keep them down like that, so I want a nice big wings that I can chew on for this. The products I'm using on this are from my friend Jason Latham, Love from the Streets, kimchi, salt and pepper. It's a new product to the market, absolutely amazing. Go and check out Love from the Streets. Great sauces and rubs, really good barbecue gear. I'm going to dress them off in Hanlon's Beer Factory and Kitchen. I've got his lovely Korean chili sauce. Okay, so let's get going. I'm going to open this up, sprinkle some of this lovely kimchi, salt and pepper over these wings. Wow. God, it smells amazing, this. All the flavours I want in there. You notice I've got one glove on, and this is my dirty hand that I handle the poultry with. One clean hand that I handle the rubs and everything else with. Never mix them, otherwise you risk contamination. Make sure it's all coated. Those are perfect. Ready to go on the barbecue. So I've got my Kamado Joe here, red hot. So this is just under 300 degrees C. I'm going to sprinkle some cherry wood smoke on this for a bit of colour and a bit of smoky flavour. And I've got it set for direct cooking. Nice and hot. So pop those wings on. I'm going to put them around the edge a little bit so they're not directly over the hottest bit. They won't take long to cook. And shut the lid down. That's what we're looking for, a red hot grill. Get those wings nice and crispy and cooked through. And they need to be 74 degrees C minimum. Then we're gonna toss them in this lovely Korean chili sauce. Okay, so I've got some nice spring onions to sprinkle over the top. I'm gonna add levels of flavour. I'm gonna make a nice mayo to drizzle over the top as well. I'm gonna mix in some of kimchi, salt and pepper into that mayo as well, just to give it a bit of a kick. So these are hot off the grill, nice and crispy. Let's get them coated with some Beer Factory Kitchen Korean chili sauce. Just a nice drizzle over the top. Chopped spring onions over the top. Some of this kimchi, salt and pepper mayo just over the top, just for a little bit of creaminess. There we go. I'm gonna get in and have a taste. This bit here's got a bit of everything on. Oh wow. That's hitting everything for me. It's crispy, salty, a bit of sweetness there, a bit of heat from the chili sauce. Oh, it's got a nice heat to it. That is a superb chicken wing. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Go and check the products out from my mates. I'll put some links below. Great products in the UK barbecue scene at the moment. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I've probably got chili sauce all over my face. I'm gonna get some even more. Hit the subscribe button, comment, let me know if you like these chicken wings and if you'd like a taste. Cheers.